Tired of fragile nails? Do your nails chip easily, have an irritating yellowish tint, or refuse to grow past a certain length? You're in the perfect spot. Picture transforming those troublesome nails into long, resilient, and gorgeous ones in just 3 days. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get started. Step 1. Shape your nails. Pick a style that enhances your fingers, whether it's a timeless square or a trendy almond shape. It's all about what flatters you most. Use a top-notch nail file and carefully shape your nails, filing in a single direction to prevent splits and cracks. A well-shaped nail not only looks polished but also lays a strong foundation for healthier growth. Step 2. Rub lemon on your nails. Take a fresh lemon, slice it, and gently rub the juicy part on your nails and cuticles. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production and fortifies your nails. It also brightens discoloration, leaving them vibrant and refreshed. Let the juice sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Step 3. Warm water and salt soak. Prepare a relaxing soak with warm water and a tablespoon of salt. Immerse your nails for 10 to 15 minutes while gently moving your fingers. This boosts circulation, softens cuticles, and keeps your nails clean with the antiseptic properties of salt. Step 5. Exfoliate. Mix 2 tablespoons of salt with a splash of olive oil to create a gentle scrub. Massage the mixture onto your nails and cuticles in circular motions. Salt exfoliates dead skin while olive oil nourishes and moisturizes. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Step 6. Toothbrush cleaning. Mix a small amount of toothpaste with a squeeze of lemon juice. Using a soft toothbrush, gently scrub your nails in circular motions. The toothpaste cleanses and polishes, leaving your nails pristine. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Step 7. Garlic treatment. For an overnight treatment, mix olive oil, lemon juice, and crushed garlic. Apply it to your nails, leave it overnight, and rinse with soapy water in the morning. Step 8. Moisturize daily. Massage Vaseline or a nourishing cream onto your nails and cuticles each day. This locks in moisture, boosts circulation, and prevents dryness. Regular moisturization is essential for strong, well-nourished nails. What to avoid? Nail biting. This habit damages your nails and hinders growth. Exposure to harsh chemicals. Protect your nails by wearing gloves during cleaning or when handling chemicals. Excessive use of nail polish removers. Avoid acetone-based removers as they dry out nails. Opt for acetone-free options. Dehydration. Keep your nails hydrated by drinking plenty of water and using moisturizers regularly. And there you have it, besties. Stick to this routine, and your nails will become stronger and healthier in just 3 days. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty hacks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.